More guys. More guys. N54. So basically, what consists of the video today is we're gonna remove the factory airbox and put some brand new Burger Motorsports dual cone intakes. We're gonna get rid of that factory charge pipe. That's what I like to hear. Diverter valves and push a little more boost. Put a fucking charge pipe blow-up valve. That's what we're working with. A lot of misfires, but we're getting it going. It's gonna be good, guys.
So this is the factory airbox and the charge pipe with the diverter valves. As you can see, very ugly, lots of plastic.
All right, boys, so we are changing the
So we currently just got the Burger Motorsports charge pipe in, and I already started with the Tial Blow valve already on, just because I wasn't sure about the fitment. If you could take a closer look over here, camera guy. You know, maybe if you flip the lens, it kind of helps. So you can see I don't have the vacuum line hooked up just yet, but I'm gonna hook it up and I'll be right back with you. Alright boys, we're back.
Alright boys, back. We're at it, boys. We got the wires all hooked up and
look at
shit.
the hose.
What do you see? What's going on?
V-band clamp on. Get a little bit light here. Tial blow-off valve on. Hoses hooked up, clamps on nice. About to throw on the dual cone intakes, boys. It's about to be lit.
Okay, so we got some major car enthusiasts here. What can you guys tell me that we got done with the car right now?
Yeah, so on this M3 we have here. Okay.
Oh my god.
So
What did you say?
The cameraman behind the camera dropped the bolt that needed to be right here, like a buck T, bro.
Look at that replacement bolt.
Okay, fam, there's not even any. Yeah, we need to get some lightage in there.
Yo, get the light, get the light. Ooh, it's that 14K gold, my guy.
Okay. Okay.
Here are the Burger Motorsports dual cone intakes. Very nice quality. Comes with the prongs that you slide in. Goes right here. So I'll be back when everything's in. What's up, guys? We're back. So got the dual cone intakes in and it looks fresh. Got the crowd out here.
You know what it is, bro.
Saturday night, got the boys supporting the build.
Very nice.
Let's hear some swoosh sounds now, boys. We're gonna go for a startup.
Alright.
First startup, hopefully she doesn't blow.
I said that was gonna happen.
Boys, the AMG.
Oh.
Stop. Did you hear that turbo? Yeah, I heard it. I told you when you turn it off, it does different shit, bro. The straight line, like, oh, yo, first gear, fam. First gear pull right here. Woo, gunshots. Give her.
Do a little brake
boost. Give her gas. More gas. More gas.
So basically, we got the dual cone intakes in, charge pipe, blow-off valve, both those two parts in. Now, in the next video, I'll be installing the front mount intercooler from ARM Motorsports and the downpipes, catless downpipes from ARM Motorsports as well. And stay tuned. That'll be the second episode of Road to Full Bolt-On, and then we'll be tuning her MHD. So stick around for more vids. It's been Dude Joe, I'm out.